I love. May kumakanta pa ng I love. O, teka lang. Teka lang, may storya pa. Si Hidalgo.
Oo. Kick shot. Saan? Bumenta pa.
Nako, eto na. Muntikan pa na mawala sa MSW pero ito nakabalik muli.
Ay, may
Baka
storya
mabitin pa to. Mabibitin
May
pa.
storya pa.
Is he gonna go for the thin cut like what he did earlier? Went for the cut and he puts it away. Nicely done. The recovery king. Itong si Ives Cabrito. Pwede na rin. Pwede na din.
The Mavericks do it.
Alright. Finally.
The Manila MSW Mavericks will not be swept.